Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, gonna show you guys a little saddle install here. This is a single manifold saddle from Dominion and Grimm. Been using these for a while now. They're a fixed head design and they got a full seal gasket on it. I've had pretty good luck with these. I know they're not the latest and greatest stuff out there, but they've worked good for us. And we get them fairly cheap from the dealer that's right here in town. And he treats us really well. So a lot of the lateral line stuff we use is D&G stuff. It's pretty good stuff. Can't complain about it at all. But I'm going to show you how to install one of these. There, we got our lateral line ran, our little hoop. And we just got to punch a hole with that tool right there. Now these saddles take a 31/64, I think it is. Yeah, 31/64 bit. So you get the tool clamped on the line where you want to put the saddle in. Drill your hole. Try not to get the plastic shavings in the line. And insert the gasket, that little piece down into the line. It's hard to do one-handed here. You gotta work at it a little bit sometimes. There's a little lip that catches the bottom edge of the pipe. And they'll sit nice and flat on there once you get them installed right. And then you line that little entrance right there with a hole. Hold on. Alright, I needed 2 hands for that. When you get it positioned on as such, and you take your straps, fold them back around, put them in the ratchets there. I tighten them down with a pair of vice grips, and then I also run 2 wire ties here and here just for added clamping force on it. And then hook your line up onto it, and you're all set. And there's the finished product all hooked up. Good. I run some wire ties around it to clamp it down a little bit better, and they seem to work pretty good. So this is on this lower section through here. I've been running some lines in here. We're actually pulling the sap uphill into the main lines, and that's the beauty with vacuum systems, is you can do some weird stuff that you wouldn't think normally would work conventionally. Ours is a continuous vac setup, and we normally get right around 27-28 inches of vacuum, so you can effectively lift sap from down in there up about 14-15 feet up in these lines. So thanks for watching.